Hey folks, Jay Leno here. We love our cars, but safety always comes first. Today we're talking about a critical recall from Hyundai concerning their Nexo model, a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. This recall is important because it involves a potential safety hazard that could increase the risk of fire. If you own a Hyundai Nexo, it's crucial to pay attention to this message. We'll break down the issue, explain what to do, and look at the bigger picture of hydrogen car safety. Remember folks, we're all in this together. Whether you're a gearhead like me, or just someone who relies on their car to get around, safety should always be the top priority. Let's dive into the details of this recall and make sure everyone stays safe on the road. So, what's the issue with the Hyundai Nexo? The recall centers around a potential problem with the hydrogen fuel system. In certain conditions, there's a risk that hydrogen fuel could leak from the system. Hydrogen is highly flammable, so even a small leak can pose a serious fire hazard. It's important to note that this issue doesn't affect all Nexos, but only specific model years and regions. We'll get into those specifics shortly. Now I know what you're thinking. Hydrogen cars are supposed to be the future of clean energy, right? And you're not wrong. But like any new technology, there can be growing pains. The important thing is that Hyundai is addressing this issue head-on with a recall to ensure the safety of their customers. Alright, let's get specific. This recall affects Hyundai Nexo models from the years 2019 to 2024. That's a pretty wide range, so if you own a Nexo, it's essential to check if your vehicle is included. The recall primarily affects vehicles sold in the United States and Canada. Hyundai has provided a way for owners to check if their specific vehicle is affected by the recall using their Vehicle Identification Number, VIN. You can find this number on your driver's side dashboard or on your registration documents. Don't take any chances, folks. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Take a moment to check your VIN or contact your local Hyundai dealership to confirm if your Nexo is part of the recall. Section 4. Immediate steps for Nexo owners, safety first. If you discover that your Hyundai Nexo is included in the recall, don't panic. Hyundai is urging all affected owners to take some immediate precautions to minimize any potential risks. The most important step is to park your Nexo outdoors, away from any structures. This means avoiding parking in garages, carports, or even under carports. The goal is to ensure that if a hydrogen leak were to occur, it wouldn't pose a fire hazard to your home or any nearby buildings. Remember, safety is paramount. While this recall is serious, it's important to approach it calmly and follow Hyundai's instructions. By taking these precautions and scheduling a service appointment with your dealership, you're doing your part to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Section 5. Hydrogen cars and the future, a bump in the road. Now I know this recall might raise some eyebrows about hydrogen cars in general, but let's keep things in perspective. Hydrogen fuel cell technology is still in its early stages, and like any new technology, there are bound to be bumps in the road. The important thing is that automakers like Hyundai are committed to addressing these issues swiftly and transparently. Hydrogen cars still hold immense promise for a cleaner, more sustainable future. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, running solely on electricity generated from hydrogen. This recall, while unfortunate, is a reminder that progress doesn't always follow a straight line. It's about learning from these experiences, making improvements, and continuing to innovate for a better tomorrow. Section 6. Stay informed, stay safe. Hyundai's commitment to your well-being. In closing, folks, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed and taking proactive measures when it comes to vehicle safety. Hyundai is committed to resolving this issue and ensuring the safety of their customers. They've issued this recall as a precautionary measure, and it's crucial that Nexo owners heed their advice. If you own a Hyundai Nexo, visit Hyundai's website or contact your local dealership to check if your vehicle is affected and to schedule a service appointment. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can ensure that our roads remain safe for everyone. Drive safe, everyone.